Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make $100 a day trading Bitcoin. We will be going over a simple trading strategy that you can start using today. So, if you are new to Bitcoin trading or just looking to boost your earnings, stay tuned. Before we jump into the strategy, let's quickly cover the basics. Bitcoin, as you know, is highly volatile. This means prices can change rapidly, creating opportunities to make money. But to profit, you need to understand key things like trends, support and resistance level, and timing. The strategy we are focusing on is a combination of trend trading and using the RSI indicators. Here is a simple breakdown. First, identify the trend. Look at the Bitcoin price chart on a 1 hour time frame to find a clear trend. If the price is moving up consistently, it's an upward and vice versa for a downtrend. Second, confirm with RSI. The RSI indicators help confirm whether the price movement is strong enough. For example, if the RSI is above 70, it indicates that the market may be overbought, signaling a possible reversal. When it's below 30, it's likely oversold, signaling a buying opportunity. And third, set your entry and exit points. Once you identify the trend and confirm it with RSI, look for entry points around key support or resistance level. Keep a stop loss in place to minimize your risk. Let's say you have spotted an uptrend and the RSI is around 50 to 60. This tells you the market has momentum and you can enter the trade. As the price move in your favor, you can look to exit when the RSI starts nearing 70 or when the price hits a strong resistance level. Risk management is the key in trading. Set a stop loss at around 1% to 2% below your entry point to avoid big losses. Also, avoid risking more than 5% of your trading account in one trade. This way, even if you hit a losing streak, you will still have funds to recover. Remember, the goal is to make consistent profits, not to hit a home run every time. To start trading efficiently, you need a reliable broker. Here are my top 3 recommendations. First, FP Markets. Known for its low spreads and fast execution, FP Markets is perfect for Bitcoin trading. Second, Pepperstone. With advanced trading tools and great customer support, Pepperstone is a go to for both beginners and pros. Third, AvaTrade. If you're looking for a broker with a user friendly platform and multiple crypto trading options, AvaTrade is a great choice. All of these brokers offers demo accounts, so you can practice before going live. So there you have it. A simple strategy to make $100 a day trading Bitcoin. Remember, the key is to be disciplined and consistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments what topics you would like to see next. Happy trading!